Hi, I'm Mike Red, here to talk about the new Sahara Pro X4 centrifugal air mover. Dri-Eaz has manufactured the most popular, most reliable air movers for more than 40 years. That history continues with the Pro X4 as we begin a new era for the Sahara product line of air movers. Affectionately known by many as a snail fan because of its shape, its compact, lightweight, rugged design, coupled with powerful airflow and low amp draw, make it one of the best air movers for everyday drying and water damage repair. While the Sahara design has long been a favorite among restoration drying specialists, the Pro X4's unique features make it appealing with facilities, maintenance, and general contractor application. These are helpful tools when managing moisture issues in apartments, offices, hospitals, and schools. The simple-to-use Pro X4 is an energy-efficient 3-speed unit utilizing just 1.9 to 2.5 amps depending on the chosen speed. Choose lower speeds for quieter operation. This is a unit occupants won't be tempted to unplug or switch off because of noise. With its high-velocity airflow and 4 drying positions, you can dry any surface fast. Set the blower flat for focused floor drying. To dry under carpets and pads, use the integrated carpet clamp. You can easily dry walls and ceilings. Use the convenient kickstand for added versatility to even dry stairs. Small details like this matter. Need to cover a large area? Daisy chain up to 6 on low speed with the unit's GFCI outlet on a 15 amp circuit. The Pro X4 is easy to carry and stacks 3 high for convenient transportation and storage. Molded and assembled in our US plants, you can be assured it's highly durable and reliable. For example, the plastic body carries a lifetime warranty on defects in materials and workmanship. The professional choice, whatever your dry-out situation, and whether you are a contractor, carpet cleaner, or manage a facility, the Sahara Pro X4 is exciting and what you need for drying. I can't wait for you to get your hands on these and try them out.